Welcome to Centrica Park. We're here in Leicestershire at Centrica's brand new state-of-the-art facility for research, training and innovation. It's home to the Academy, designed to ensure that engineers have the skills needed to help drive the green energy transition. So I've heard the Academy is the kind of star attraction here.
Yeah, we've developed a real state-of-the-art engineering centre. We've committed as a business to taking on 3,500 engineers this decade, 500 this year, a big proportion of which will come through this new facility.
Okay.
We also keep our current engineers' qualifications current, and we reskill them to add on additional green skills, which again, we've designed this centre around.
And I noticed here you've got women as well as men.
So we're really committed to increasing the number of women in engineering.
And over here, I've noticed that you've built a full house in the middle of your academy.
We certainly have. Behind us, you'll see we've got a heat pump, we've got an EV charger, we've got battery storage. Inside there's underfloor heating, top-notch insulation, smart water cylinders, Hive, and then on the roof we've got solar as well.
Okay, that is a lot of kit. So is it just about installing the technology, or is there another function for the house?
Yes, engineers will be able to work on and see the technology, but we can also think about our wider population. We think about sales and how we sell to our customers, and then with an eye on the future, we're also thinking about how we use this facility for things like such as augmented reality.
These high-tech labs here are going to drive the innovation needed for a greener, fairer future for everybody. Let's go take a look. Okay, Nick, so you've brought me to this very glamorous garage. What goes on in this space?
So this is the Energized Futures lab, where we work with researchers and we develop the technologies. It ranges from existing EV chargers, and we're also developing technologies such as the curb charger. This is something that will go in the curbstone outside without having cables going across the pavement.
And can you tell me a little bit about the heat pump?
What we're doing here is using the research that we're developing in our teams in Antwerp and Belgium to optimise the heat pump for lower cost and better consumption for customers.
So Nina, this room feels pretty high-tech. Where are we?
So we are in the smart metering test lab. It enables us to develop, test and support any changes that hit the customers. Any of the services that we have online, we make sure that they work.
Okay, so why do we as customers need smart meters in the first place?
So smart meters is really important to customers in order to be able to manage and track their energy consumption, and you may want to adjust your behaviour accordingly.
So it can actually encourage sustainable behaviour?
Absolutely.
Another lab that's helping customers keep an eye on their energy usage is the Hive lab. So Raj, first things first, what is Hive?
Well, Hive is a smart home ecotech system that allows customers to monitor and optimize their energy usage. An example might be an EV charger, where you can set it to choose to charge the vehicle at the cheapest time.
So how does this lab link to all of that? I feel like you might be doing something with these lights.
Well, we basically look at all the Hive products, and our job is to verify that they meet the quality standards and the performance, from product all the way to the mobile phone app.
So why is it useful for the Hive lab to be under the Centrica Park roof?
I think the great benefit is there are all the other technology labs under the same site, and this will only lead to more collaboration and more innovation.
So Matthew, this is the Diagnostics and Innovation Lab, am I right?
That's right.
Okay, that sounds pretty grand to me. Can you break it down?
Absolutely. XL Diagnostics software is designed for our engineers to enable a quicker first-time fix for our customers.
Okay, so have you actually designed or innovated anything that can help those engineers to do that?
Absolutely. So we're looking at smart wearable tech for the future.
Okay.
So tools like these glasses that engineers
wow.
can use to interact with us to get it right more quickly.
Oh, that's incredible. Okay, so they wear those and then there's someone on the other end guiding them through fixing the
That's
problems.
correct.
That's super cool. And in this room, and this is the innovation room, have you designed anything in here?
We have. So as you can see, we've got our 3D printers. We've got tools like this. This was designed by us in-house. It's a tool for engineers to repressurise a central heating boiler. We design, prototype and effectively 3D print them.
So if my boiler broke down and there was a little part that just needed replacing, you could print it rather than scrapping the whole boiler and starting again?
Absolutely, and maybe in the future we could look at putting this sort of technology in the back of vans to enable an even quicker fix.
Oh my gosh, I love that. We've seen how all of this research and innovation is benefiting us in our homes. But how about in bigger spaces like hospitals or sports centres? Kristen, hi. I'm seeing a lot of flashing lights and wires here. Can you explain to me what this bit of kit is?
These are test rigs for control systems that run combined heat and power engines, which are used for businesses. A lot of hospitals, sports centres, big industrial, anything with high energy usage, and are used for the residual heat.
Okay, so how does that help the businesses that you're working with?
This allows the engineers that look after these engines to be able to see what's happening at the engine. They can see what's wrong, or they can see what state it's in when they need to go and service it.
Okay, brilliant. Thank you so much for showing me around. I've seen some amazing things today, led by people who are absolutely dedicated to solving the challenges of a net zero future. Centrica Park represents a huge investment in innovation, but more importantly, the people and skills needed for the green energy transition. It's about long-term thinking and multi-year planning to ensure that the UK meets its clean energy ambitions. And the best part, this isn't just for engineers. It's for all Centrica's colleagues, from contact centres to the head office too. That means colleagues right across the UK can benefit from Centrica Park, whether that's virtually or in person.